'cause I spent half my life out there. You wouldn't disagree. Just see me, just see, do you like me? Do you like me standing there? Do you notice? Do you know? Do you see me? Do you see me? Does anyone care on happiness? Whereas when I was young and we didn't give a damn, 'cause we were raised to see life as fun and take it if we can. My mother, she hold me. Did she hold me when I was out there? My father, he liked me. Oh, he liked me. Does anyone care? Understand what I've become. It wasn't my design, and people
Mr. London Gatwick. My name is David Bradford, I'm the first officer. I'm with me front in command is my colleague Captain Chris Ransom, and we're also joined today by Captain Lindsay Craig. Let's go nice and quickly, not due off for another 8 minutes, just doing some final loading downstairs of your bags. But we're looking good for an on-time departure. Once we get going, it's going to be a very short taxi out, the runway's right beside us here. Taking off towards the southwest, and then heading west over the North Sea into London. Flight time today is just shy of 50 minutes. Mostly expected smooth flight conditions. There was a couple of bumps in the cruise, but nothing too bad. The seatbelt signs should be off for most of the flight. Nevertheless, when the seatbelt signs are off, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt lightly fastened just in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. And if any seatbelt sign is turned on, please return to your seats properly and fasten your seatbelts. In charge of the exit team in the cabin is Customer Service Manager Grace. And I'll stay for your comfort but for your safety as well. Very shortly they're going to do a safety demonstration explaining the safety features of this Airbus 320. I appreciate many have seen it before, but I do actually give it a 2 minutes attention if it requires. We're back in Gatwick. It's not too dissimilar to here, it's actually a little less windy there, but it is due to pick up later this evening. We'll give you the latest arrival weather and time just before we descend down. Enjoy the flight.
And your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft that you have flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, and this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as the brace position and location and operation of the doors. In the event, does include the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. Finally, if you do have any questions, please ask a member of your cabin crew. Thank you.
Something better than I am, but I miss you. I miss 'cause I liked it, 'cause I liked it when I
gentlemen, welcome to London Gatwick South Terminal, where the local time here is just approaching 5 to 3 in the afternoon. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, do take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moves and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft this afternoon, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. If your journey ends here at Gatwick after disembarking, please follow the signs marked Arrivals. If you are connecting to an international flight to the UK island or Channel Islands and your baggage is checked through to your final destination, please follow the signs to flight connections for your onward flight. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in the London area and wish those of you visiting a very enjoyable stay. If you are travelling on further today, we do wish you a very safe onward journey. It has been our pleasure to look after you on this short flight today, and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you and a very good afternoon.
I was out there, do you know